Okay, sound.
Rolling 3.
Action.
Alright, hello everyone and welcome to one super interesting episode of Desi Muffins Production presents Ouch Couch with Lipsa in association with Oberoi Bakers and Cafe. Well, Ajirama guest again is someone very familiar to all of you, very known and of course a very good friend of mine. Someone who has never taken a breather from making the state proud, and of course we are very proud of her. None other than the very young, talented and of course savage Prakriti Mishra.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Prakriti, for being here. We all know you're always on your toes. You keep moving. Chari ade, you keep traveling and you are always working.
Yes.
So, when not working, you're busy enjoying life, and that is something keeps everyone going. So, thank you for finding time, first of all. So, Prakriti, tama journey, the way you have actually come up, you have groomed yourself, you have found a place for yourself and earned a national repute, hard earned in fact, that everyone knows. But there is one thing people are yet to know, is that one side of yours which actually comes out less often. So, Ajay, मैं सही side में से कथा भागो जिबा, we would want the answers to be very crisp but on point, like you have always been fearless and savage.
You're making me nervous right now.
No, not at all. I just want you to be yourself, the person I know. So, good to go?
Yes, absolutely, and thank you so much for having me in Ouch Couch because I think I'm gonna have a lot of ouch moments.
Yes, of course. Alright, so first question. You have actually never taken a breather from making the state, as I said in your introduction. How does it make you feel every time you earn or achieve something big for us?
So basically, first thing first, jota mane move courage, or the thing that I do is I do everything with all my heart.
Of course.
And I do it because I am having lots of fun in my job.
Right.
So when you're having lots of fun and you're having a great time, automatically your entire energy, your entire being, tamar janma habara uddesya jana padi jiba jetebele.
Right, of course.
So my work has given me that. So I give my work like 200% of what I can give, or every day I learn. So I think whatever projects that make a lot of noise, that make good जोटा भल हुए ओडिशा रे ओडिशा पाई कि बहुत बाहर स्कोप थाए माने ना कमेबार. सो आई डेफिनेटली फील वेरी प्राउड, बट ऑल्सो दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई डू विथ ऑल माई एनर्जी, ऑल माई लव. So सेटा सेमिति बाहरी के आसे, and I think that's the reason it's continuing, and that's the reason I'm able to do a lot of good work.
Of course, like someone rightly said, when you actually do what you love, it doesn't feel like you're working.
Absolutely.
So needless to mention, Odisha pai ho, Odisha pai no ho, kebola tam pai ho, you've always given your best.
Exactly.
Everywhere.
Yes.
Right. So okay. So of all the reality shows you have, like made your place at, which is the most favorite of yours to be at?
Absolutely, Ace of Space.
I know, right? I did follow that show. It was so much fun, and there was one character of yours which jo ubhar ke aaya. Like in real life also, Prakriti has a lot of friends.
Yeah.
And keeping up with friendship is a big deal.
Yes.
दोस्त हम बहुत बना लेते हैं, पर उन सबके साथ दोस्ती बना के रखना is quite a deal.
Absolutely.
So also in Ace of Space, I think that character of yours came up. It was questioned though by Basir.
Yes.
but still you lived up to all our expectations. Tell me, how do you manage, like keeping up with your friendship? Like you actually disappoint no one. You keep meeting everyone in regular intervals, a lot of posts for your friends.
Yes.
Even when they're miles apart, you make them feel very special. How do you do that?
So basically, MTV Ace of Space was one of my very favorite show, and I was very scared to go there. Karan mu jani nathili how I'm going to be represented or what's going to happen in the 75 days of lockdown.
Right.
Jota ame ebe chaliche, but mu aguru gote pura pre-lockdown re thili.
You're used to it completely.
Without mobile phones and no connection with the outer world. So that was really interesting. And coming to the friends wala part, so mu mora chua belata, my entire childhood, I think mu mo sanga manaka sangre bodo heichi.
Okay.
So I used to work then in Odia Films as a child actor. So ସେଇଠୁ ନେଇକି ବଡ଼ ହେଲା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କର ଅଛି ଗ୍ରୁପ୍, ସ୍କୁଲ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କର. ସୋ ଦେ ଆର୍ ଲାଇକ୍ ମାଇ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସ୍ 20 ବର୍ଷ କି 15 ବର୍ଷ. ସୋ ମୋର ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସିପ୍ର ଏଥିକ୍ସ ଆର୍ ଭେରି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ. ଲାଇକ୍ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ମୋର୍, ମୋତେ ତମେ ଯଦି ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗ ହେଇଗଲା ତ ମୋତେ ଯାହା କହିବ ମୁଁ ମାନେ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ବିଲିଭ୍ ୟୁ, ବିକଜ ଆଇ ଆମ୍ ଅ ପର୍ସନ୍ ଲାଇକ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ହୁ ଲଭ୍ସ ମିଟିଂ ନ୍ୟୁ ପିପଲ୍. ମୋତେ ନୂଆ କାହାଣୀ, ନୂଆ ମଣିଷ, ସେଇ ମଣିଷର କ'ଣ ଷ୍ଟୋରି, ମୋତେ ସେଗୁଡ଼ା ବହୁତ ଇଟ୍ ମେକ୍ସ ମି ଫିଲ୍ ଭେରି ଆଲାଇଭ୍.
Because everyone's story is very different. different. Yeah.
Different, and as an actor, I love meeting new people because it helps me do my
Evolve,
job
right,
very
of
nicely.
course.
So sango habata khatti kariba and sango mananga sange chill kariba I really love. That's me.
Of course. It actually reflects in all your stories, the way you carry yourself, and of course the characters you play
Yes.
when it's work. Now tell me something, like you said, tame child actress, we all know, like, itti ki border we have been seeing you on the silver screen. So, how difficult was it for you to actually manage Limelight? Because we all know, especially star kids have a very difficult time, tough time managing the Limelight, because, see, the Limelight comes with two parts, always, the good light and the bad light. So, how have you been able to manage with that, you know, like, how do you cope up with it?
मैंने छुआ बेले when I started working, obviously when after doing a lot of projects मते बढ़िया लगिला and मोर लाइफ रो मु अनु दीदी एमान को देखि कि तांको because तांको छुआ बेला रो कैरेक्टर प्ले करथली. she is definitely one of my favorite actress. तो देखुथली से मानले सब रेडी होंदे मते बहुत बढ़िया लगे. So I kind of when I started working माने छुआ बेलु घरे मते सब बोले जिनसटा बुझेले this is से मते रियलाइज कले तो तू तू जॉब करू छु तोरा काम this is your work. So मते किछि माने मते मो bread and butter मते लागे एटा होछि this is why I am born, this is what I love doing. तो मते लाइमलाइट ता माने एते पर्सनली मो भितरे किछि ईगो के किछि ए सब जिंस डेवलप करेलानी बिकॉज़ मो जानिली जे ए जिंसटा के सॉरी बनी I will never be able to call or you know tell कि हां मो बहुत किछि कर दै छी. So every day every project that I do it's fun for me and I love people loving me. So Seitare mu I think it's not handling, it's basically I love just meeting everybody.
Oh right, that's great. But you know, like Limelight cho tamo life and off the camera or off the screen, the way you carry yourself is very different and you keep up with it very very well. So that is something I appreciate you about, and I'm sure a lot of people do. But tell me something, like you mentioned, the veteran actor and actresses that you have been working with. So despite seeing them all around you, you still created a different aura of yourself, a different personality, a girl who does whatever she wants, whatever she feels like, and you seem pretty unapologetic about it, and that's how it should be.
Yeah.
So, but as you grew into you right now Prakriti Mishra is a name, it's a brand, and people recognize you by your own name, not by your parents' identity anymore. Because maybe when you started off, imti lagutla ki ha Manmat uncle guchiyo, ki Krishna auntie guchiyo, or someone, but now you have an identity of your own. You have a different genre altogether, someone where no one messes with. But especially when you started getting unapologetic, you started living your life on your own terms. So the backlash you got, like you know, we all know about it. So what do you have to say about it? Of course, it must be exhausting you a lot.
Yes, initially it used to, because when you're alone, when you're just going on your path, and a lot of people can't, a lot of people won't, lot of people they don't want to, and they're happy wherever they are. But I was always on the go and I did not want it to stop because I did not want it to be where I was. So I thought maybe I should explore my life, and that's how I headed. Mu jannatli that in that journey I'll find myself in such a different way that I'll become the person I am right now. Like not taking shit from anyone, being so professional in my work. I only care about and I only think about कि mu kemti moro sabubale, you know, I'll just do the right thing, I'll do the right job, I'll do the right thing. कौन होना conservative society रे बहुत थोड़े questions आसे, बहुत थोड़े allegations आसे, but it is up to you how you take it, because you're just living your life, you're not doing anything criminal.
You're not answerable to anyone.
You're not answerable to anyone. So the moment you realize you need to cut off from that entire chaos, कि हाँ मते ये जिनसोड़ा affect करूची मत मोरे ये सब जिनसा life रे priority, तापरे बाकी सब जो noise होड़ा हुए ना, which are obstacles.
It's actually noise.
The obstacles, they automatically go away because you're just focused in making your life a beautiful one.
Of course. So recently there was this brand endorsement for a liquor company that you did, and you know, like all of a sudden the media made it about you, your parents, your family, your upbringing. That was, I found it very nasty, to be honest, because it is an actor's job to endorse, you know, like whatever brand she wants to, or she wishes. So, but this time it was a step ahead. Mane post re comment kariba negativity, or it's still fine. A lot of people deal with it. But then, you know, like a lot of pages came up, and you know, it involved your father and your mother. Like like Baba Bhajan Rauchandi ji or Kimti, how is she consuming alcohol and all
Alcohol
of that.
and everything, yes.
So do you like your parents being dragged into these things? Like I'm sure.
बहुत थोड़े टाइम रो आगुरु मैंने हेतला बट इतने मेजरली ही नथला सो दिस वाज अ ब्रांड एंडोर्समेंट दैट वी डिड एंड वी टुक ऑल काइंड ऑफ यू नो वी सॉ व्हाट वर द टर्म्स एंड व्हाट वर द कंडीशंस एंड एवरीथिंग वी सॉ एंड देन वी एंडोर्स्ड इट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट किछुडे वेब पोर्टल्स से टारगेटेड माय फादर mother
Yes.
to make it a masaledar
Yes, yes.
news. I was quite up to a point till they dragged and they said what not about my innocent parents. Mo papa jane music director itte mane let's say he's there since 30 years. My mom is a Doordarshan news reader, you know, a playback singer. Semanakor mo kamo sangere we are a family, but that doesn't
Different personalities
mean
at the
that
same
we are
time.
into tanka professional tankara career is different. My work is different.
Totally.
So you cannot, it is a basic से जो ethics और basic से जो पाठटा लोग पढ़ी नांदी जो वेब पोर्टल्स माने खुली चंते से माने जानी भी नांदी ब्रांड एंडोर्समेंट सोशल मीडिया रे कौन बोली. So they just saw a picture and they went nuts about it because तांका पकड़े आगे जो मसाला नहीं.
Also, there was this post, you know, which spoke of your mother being very, you know, like attractive is the word I would use because I do not want to get that nasty.
Yeah.
But that is very much unnecessary.
Yeah,
you know,
hence I went to the police and hence I took legal help and we did an FIR against the web portal.
Right.
सब से web portal टा पूरा delete ही कर दिला ताकि उसे पिला ही मैंने कुआड़े उभा नहीं गला. But that was definitely a very big warning from my side because I will not spare anyone who tries to drag my parents into it.
I applaud you for that, Prakriti, especially because there are other people also who are
They all
victims
said,
of it.
"Don't
but
say,
yeah,
don't
so
go."
they
I was like,
keep
"Why
quiet,
not?"
and I was very happy when you know your story of the official complaint came up, and I was like, at least someone raising voice. Okay, but now tell me, you have actually raised your opinion, your voice about a lot of things which actually go wrong. You speak out. Probably that's why you know you. आंखों में खटक जाती हो आप कहीं पे. But does that bother you? Does that stop you from being whoever you are?
Absolutely not. You know, when I know कि you always attract your tribe, your vibe attracts
Yes,
your
totally.
tribe. So I really don't care कि कोई माने मते माने appreciate करूँ ना, that is their opinion. They don't like me, that is their choice. I cannot force them to like me or love me. It is absolutely okay to not like me. But ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି जो माने ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି, जो माने ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, they know me personally. They know who I am, what I am doing, what is my purpose in life. I think that is enough. आउ मते किए कोन सोधिला किए कोन कहिला मते सत्तरे टाइम ही नहीं से सब विषय भाबिया.
Of course, time
I
lawyer
don't
we got.
care.
Okay, one more thing, Prakriti. I remember having met you for the first time. We traveled to Koraput together. That was like 7-8 years back. That was the first time I met
Yes.
Prakriti. I think you had newly shifted to Bombay and you were like, you know, like traveling on and off. And you were coming over. I remember we traveled together and you told me one thing which I very clearly remember. I really want to reach at some place in my life and I do whatever it takes, whatever hard work or
Yes.
whatever ordeal comes my way, and I will do it. So after 7 years when I see the same girl, I see same Prakriti Mishra, she has actually achieved a lot of accolades. I really want people to know what was the hard work that went behind it. You know, like for people जिनको लगता है कि चीजें आसानी से मिल जाती है.
आसानी से मिलने के तरीके बहुत है, मुश्किल से मिलने के बाद आसानी लाइफ में हो जाती है लंबे टाइम के लिए.
बिल्कुल.
So obviously it took me good how many years? 4 years, 3-4 years to actually do a show or do a thing that I wanted to do in Bombay because I did not give up. I was completely always on the go to give auditions, line re chhida hai ki auditions daba. So what happens in a place like Bombay, because you are in a competition where तमठू बहुत अधिका भी अछंती तो आउ तमरो भाग्य कोन तमे निजे भी जानना.
Luck works.
Luck also works a lot, but you need to go on. Like there has to be this regular, you know, patience level ro test हुए सेठी. तमे
every day is a new challenge.
Every day is a new challenge. Was a new challenge for me. ता भीतर भी मु आसे कि किछटा films एडी करी कि जाउथली, but then I decided कि I won't do any more films here because एते travel कले सेठी काम होई पारुनी. So I went back there and the last film I did was Hello RC. Then one fine year I decided that I'm gonna try in some other industry.
Okay.
जो थी मुझे भी try करनी, maybe South industry because I really wanted to and I still want to work in South films. So I decided I'll pack my bags, I'll just go and try there for a while and see what's happening. And the month I decided to leave Bombay and go to some other place, another industry, and try out my luck there. That month, I got the national award, and the other day, I got the show in NTV as a main lead.
Oh, great.
So and that took me 4 years. And
Of course.
ମୁଁ से struggle टा कहि परिबिनी जे ମୁଁ जाई कि obviously there has been time जोटी ମୁଁ मैगी खाई कि भी रही not because my parents couldn't afford it, because I did
You
not
wanted
wanted to ask
Yeah,
them.
right.
But सेही सब जिनस I think समस्तिंग लाइफ रे किछि ना किछि बहुत ए सब जिनस हेई थाए. But yes, that continuous amount of not giving up. Every day I used to go to sleep thinking tomorrow will be my day. So that 4 years I did the same thing.
4 years is quite a long time.
It's-
What
it's-
kept you going, Prakriti?
I don't know. I just felt like, why can't I? Because everybody used to say, "यार ये किछि हबनी पड़े, यार ये किछि हबनी पड़े, यार ये किछि हबनी पड़े." I'm like, हब्बो.
How many people did you have actually who supported you throughout? Like people who believed in you throughout for like 4 long years, not a small time, of course.
बहुत लोग मझिरे I did not, I was not in touch with them. No, people took very lightly. Took me very lightly, which was okay, but I was not taking myself lightly at all.
Right.
So yes, there were a lot of people. They came, they went. I mean, that's absolutely fine. They
Part of
came
life.
back again, so that was also quite interesting. So.
So speaking of which, let's say you actually love me as a friend,
Yes.
while you are actually struggling. I somehow we are out of touch, and then I come back again when you are actually again a bigger name. I don't like to say. And then how do you treat them? Like, do you still accept them as friends? Like you said, when your friends tell you to believe something, you do believe. So how do you accept them?
I'll tell you what. So when the camera rolls, that's when my actor version comes out. When the director says pack up, I come back to my zone, that is doo-doo zone.
Okay.
So the doo-doo zone is absolutely a normal person who would accept, and also I'm very kind. I accept, I'm not saying it bada chada ke. Mo actually mu gote mane kon कहलो, can I say that? ମୁଁ ଇମୋସନାଲି ଚୁତିଆ ମଣିଷଟେ ସୋ ମୁଁ ନା ମାନେ ମତେ ଯେତେ ତମେ ମାନେ ମତେ ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗ ମାନେ ବହୁତ there are a lot of people those who have emotionally they have backstabbed me or broken my trust, but ମୁଁ ଏମିତି ମଣିଷଟେ ଯେ ଥରେ ସରି କଣ ମଣିଷ ତ ଭୁଲି ଗଲା ଆଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି ସାଙ୍ଗ କିଛି ନାହିଁ. But now I have stopped doing that. I used to do
I'm
that.
so glad. I wanted to tell you that though. Yeah.
I used to do that. I used to feed people's ego, energy and everything, considering them as my close ones. But then I figured out that maybe this is not my scene. I should just be a little more in my कम सांग हेले भी चली जीव. Now I have gotten into that stage of life.
I'm glad.
बहुत सारा scene हेला परे.
All right. So finally, tell me something. One last thing that I'd like to ask you in this segment.
Okay.
So बहुत लोगों का दिल तो तुमने तोड़ ही दिया है because they know you're not single. So you are in a committed, very much in a public relationship. But tell me something. The journey to find the love of your life. How has that journey been? Did you meet wrong people? Have you had pathetic breakups?
Of course.
Did it trend? Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I did know. I
know.
got the trend. Because till then nobody even nobody wanted to go public or whatever, but I did not also wanted to go public. It just happened.
Yeah, right.
And everybody knows about it.
Yeah, of course.
So-
Insta DP says it all every time.
No, I mean I'm saying about a relationship, like my first relationship, when it became a very viral thing.
Right. I saw you crying backstage to do that. Was
Okay. Yes, I've had good relationships. I have had messed up relationships, but then again, come on, this is life. We all
Of
do.
course, you wouldn't get to the right thing if you don't go through the wrong ones.
So even now also I'm on a journey of finding my own self, finding myself, finding what's gonna happen, what's happening. So yes, I'm always on the go.
That takes a lot of strength actually. Alright, so here comes my favorite ceasefire. Not yet, abhi time hai. This is going to be a ceasefire round. This is any which way is going to be
I
yours.
thought you were going to do something different. You'll give the hamper first and then
Then
you'll
I'll ask you questions so that you can run away with the hamper. No, that's not happening. Alright, so this is ceasefire presented by Oberoi Bakers and Cafe. This is a beautiful hamper which is going to be yours, but in some time, because we
Alright.
can't wait to know Prakriti a little more.
Okay.
Alright, so ready for the questions?
Yes.
Let's not delay at all. So the first question, answers have to be very short, crisp and on point, the way you always are. So, your forever strength?
Bow.
One thing that you're apologetic about yourself? Any one such trait?
I'm apologetic about one such
Trait. of
Trait.
yours. Yeah. You've said it already.
But I'm actually not apologetic for anything.
I love that. So what makes you always happy? Like whatever mood it is, it can totally cheer you
Oh
up.
God, I can't just say it on camera. I'll be in
Bhubaneswar is
controversy
the
again.
scene, bro.
Bhubaneswar is the scene, bro.
All right. So ever regretted sharing your life on social media for the backlash you get? Ever? Like for once?
Yes,
Yeah?
yes, once.
Would you have a friend to die for, or you'd like to be that friend?
I would like to be that friend.
Not
I
dying
don't
for
want
anyone
to
anymore.
die.
Right, the phase
I
is
want to
over.
live for my friend. I don't want to die for a friend.
Fantastic. Okay. The biggest mistake you consider of your life? ये यहाँ पर जाते हुए दिख रहा है मुझे प्रकृति
None.
में. None.
None.
Good. Okay.
I had to think actually.
Yeah.
That do I because कौन खबर ना instant जोटा ऐसे सारा mistake मतलब instant किच्छी ऐसे नहीं.
अच्छा तो है ही
No
नहीं.
mistakes.
See, as simple as that. Best decision you have made so far?
Best decision I have made so far is coming back to Bhubaneswar while
The COVID wave?
Exactly.
Yeah, right?
Bombay lockdown hila purpuru mu Bhubaneswar पड़ा छी. That's the recent best thing that I have done.
Okay. So proud of you.
Yes.
Okay. So the one thing that keeps you going, Prakriti, filled with energy, life, like
That
the way you
one
are.
thing that keeps me going on is some amazing good music.
Music. It
All
is.
the
And
time.
you sing amazing. I'm going to make you sing. No worry. It's the secret of being everyone's apple of eye. So the people who love you actually make you the center of attraction all the time, which I love actually. What makes you their favorite?
I think
instantly. I say.
it's my my laugh because I have I've got this compliment from a lot of people that you laugh very nicely.
The next question
तुम
was.
हंसती बड़ी अच्छी हो मैंने बोला thank you.
So the next question was actually, what is the weirdest compliment you ever got? मैंने वो सुन के ना तुमको मैंने should I actually take it as a compliment or not? Like what was the weirdest? Compliment?
Weirdest compliment I got that I look like a picture.
What? Who would say that to you?
There are some people.
I know, right? Okay. Most favorite co-star you have ever worked with?
Most favorite co-star I have ever worked with. Karan Kundra.
Karan Kundra,
Yes.
right? I saw your post
Yes.
with him.
He's too cute.
I know, and he's hot as well.
He's very hot. I'm gonna make him watch this.
Oh yeah, he has to. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate yourself on humor?
On humor, 10 out of 10, bro. Any
I'll
day.
give you +2, 12 on 10.
Oh, thanks.
Sex appeal.
Oh, 10.
Okay, 10 again. Acting skills. I wanted to gloat a little.
Okay. Acting skills, I would give maybe a 5.
Okay, I didn't see that coming though. I thought 9 के आसपास तो
नहीं,
होगा.
नहीं,
I
5
wanted you to gloat, Prakriti.
Arey, 5 because there's so much to learn, yeah.
I love that about you. How much would you rate yourself as a friend?
अरे 100 bro, 10 के ऊपर जितना लगा सकते हो.
I'm looking forward to having you as a close friend.
Arey,
Actually,
of
a
course
closer
we
friend
are.
rather. All right. How much would you rate yourself as a daughter?
As a daughter?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I think if you ask them, they'll say 10 out of 10, 100, 1000, whatever. For me, I think I'm a good daughter though, but no, I
Room for
trouble my
more?
beau a lot. Maybe.
यार उतना तो वो झेल ही
7,
सकती
8.
है. 7, 8?
7,
Okay,
8.
you're being modest. So savage. See, I already call you savage. I wouldn't want you to rate yourself. So
Because
skip that question.
because नॉना वो देखियो को तत्ते इतना मर्द आप क्या कहला?
Cute. Okay, so Prakriti, we all know that you're a fan of music. You love music. You sing. You belong to a family background where I'm sure you grew up with music.
Yes.
So tell me, what is the current song you're looping on? Because I know this habit of yours. I have actually observed. एक गाना और वो चलता रहता है.
I
दो लोग
swear.
बोर होने तक.
ମୁଁ ପୁରା ଗାଏ ମାନେ ମୁଁ କଣ କହିଲା ତମ କାନ ପାଖରେ ଯୋଉ ମଶା ଭଳିଆ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୀତଟା ଘୁଙ୍ଗୁରୁ
What is the current one?
That song wait current favorite are 2 tracks.
Okay.
One is
At least some variety.
हाँ दीटा गीत ମୁଁ ସବୁବେଳେ ଗାଉଛି ଆଜିକାଲି.
Right.
That is one is दिल को करार आया, that's Siddharth Shukla and Neha Sharma.
Right.
And the other one is the Kabir Singh track.
कबीर सिंह का कौन सा? बेख्याली.
हाँ बेख्याली. So all Kabir Singh tracks. Like
Lovely
I keep on
tracks, actually.
singing all of them.
Right. Okay, so I'm going to give you 2 choices now. This is going to be the last segment. Very,
Okay.
very, very Brief.
I'll
Actually. So, passing affair or relationship, what did you pick over the other?
What?
That was a trick question. Passing affair or relationship, we know what it is.
Relationship.
Right. Mumbai or Odisha? Where do you love working better?
Walking better, Bombay. Living, of course.
Yeah. Instagram
Odisha.
or Facebook? What person? I know the answer. Yeah, Instagram any day.
Any day.
Who is a better friend from Ace of Space 2, Nikita or Salman?
Nikita. Any day. Nick.
That cutie pie.
I love her.
Yeah. So, what person are you? Party or road trip?
Road trip.
Road trip?
Yes.
Okay. I've seen you partying often though.
But I also travel a lot.
I know that. Okay. So, where do you want to see yourself in 10 years from now? Because last time you gave me a target, you smashed it.
Yeah.
I want you to give me another target here today. Masha.
Next, in 10 years, you would see me somewhere in California, maybe.
All I can think
Dude,
of
it just
is-
came out
very
very instantly.
You know, touch wood. I
Touch
hope
wood.
it happens. I hope it happens.
Chilling
Alright,
with
so-
Nick, Jonas, and PC, maybe.
Right, that monarchy dude, you looked hot. Trust me, you did. So, all right, I think I have to tell you to cease fire because this is, of course, yours.
I got the
Congratulations,
hamper.
babe.
Yeah, my first hamper.
All right, so this was presented by Oberoi Bakers and Cafe, our venue partner, and they're amazing. Trust me. So you're gonna enjoy the goodies.
Thank you
Prakriti,
so much.
It was so amazing chatting my heart out with you. It seemed
Same.
like we kept talking to each other forever. So there's this one thing I want to tell you. The only thing I love about you is you're fearless.
Thank
You
you.
are savage, as I've been telling you the entire episode. I want you to stay that way. Stand for what bothers you the most and make us all proud. Just keep doing that. So
Absolutely.
much love
Thank
for
you so much, Lipsa. And I really like the entire setup that you have done here because
Thank
it's
you.
really cool.
Thank you so
and
much.
it's really new and fresh, which we really need it right now.
Right.
And it was, of course, fun chatting with you. and ତମ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ପାର୍ଟିରୁ 10 ବର୍ଷ ତଳେ ଯୋଉଟା ବାହାରିଥିଲା ଆଜି ଯୋଉଟା ବାହାରିଲା
ପୁଣି
then
ହବ
again-
ସେଇଟା. Yeah, PC and Nick Jonas. I'll actually note it in my journal so that 10 years
Perfect.
for maybe I'll call you on Prakriti. This is what you told me. Remember?
Yeah, you got to.
What would be like? Okay, I'm not going to reveal the age, but people will wait for it.
No, I'll be 35 by then. I'm
See,
25 right now.
I'll be 35 as well. So
Perfect.
cheers to that. All right, guys. So this was Prakriti for us on Ouch Couch with Lipsa by Desi Muffins Productions in association with Oberoi Bakers and Cafe. And I can't thank this hottie enough for being here today and making this episode super special. So please expect more such interesting episodes. जो कि आपन को favorite stars आपन को पाई निजर दिल खोले की रखिवे and they will chat their heart out. So thank you again, Prakriti, for being here with us. It was
My pleasure.
amazing.
Amazing, Lipsa. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you, guys. Love you all.